Hey guys, welcome to Team Coding Plaza. And I'm going to make a video on today how to handle folders with spaces in Linux or Unix. Why? Because recently one of our subscriber has been asked me this how to handle this. Okay, I missed it to make a video on this. Please raise your questions or like doubts like in comments. Definitely I will answer like this only. Okay, this is a short video. I'm not going to drag it anymore. Okay, so you may have just try this your side also. If any in Windows we are having folders having spaces, right? In Linux we won't create as a real time practice, but in Windows we will be create. Okay, so that how to handle coming to that folders if you are migrating that Windows folders to the Linux, and if you are copy pasting or dumping any folder data to there. So at that situation, this maybe you will be face problem. So just in real time, I will show you how to do this. Okay, here I sample purpose I made one see Linux tutorials. Space is there, no. So that error I will show you along with that. I'll show you that how to handle that. Okay, so let's see in terminal. Yeah, coming to Mobax. Yeah, this we know this right. Okay, we'll close the sessions and we'll start in local terminal. Yeah, it's starting. Yeah, we came to Movax and here I have created a folder like Linux tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to C drive. C drive I have created. Okay, C drive we have there. So here if I'm giving L, then I can able to see that Linux tutorials folder here. No, so I'm going to that Linux tutorials. Sorry, I will clear this. It looks like somewhat clumsy. Okay, so I'm going to Linux tutorials. Okay, yeah. Here whatever you have got too many arguments, right? And that too I will show you in real time also. Here you can see this. One sec. So here I created Linux tutorials, right? Yeah, this is a folder. See here, if I'm copying this here, I'm pasting here. You can see clearly this space is there, no here. So if I'm making this CD, it will work. When you are using move or when you are removing, it won't work properly, right? So this in this any scenario, how to handle spaces in Linux terminals means see a simple thing that you have to use this command. Okay, so I'm going to zoom this. See this CD Linux tutorials. Okay, if you are giving like this, simply you can go inside that. Let's see it will work or not. Yes, inside Linux tutorials you are there. No, see here 3 files are there. I can show you here also along with that 3 files are there. No, okay. Like this you can use simple single quotes if you are giving in between the space folder, right? So here at last and at starting if you are giving a single quote means finished, that's it. So you can able to use this. Yeah, this is what the video for this today guys. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you are having any doubts in this concept also, please give a comment and I will make a more videos on this Linux and tutorials. Yeah, thank you for watching my videos. Please share, subscribe and comment. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.